I was a little surprised to find out was that kapag tinanggal na yung rule na dati, na kapag may project ang national government sa isang LGU, pag tapos na yung project, kailangan i-accept nung mayor, kailangan i-accept nung governor. Kati barangay captain, kailangan tatanggapin niya, titignan nila. And this is an important safeguard. Dahil, pagka nasa LGU ka, hindi mo naman pinagkikitaan yung project. Kaya, ang maliwanag, titignan to talaga na tama, na yung kalsada, 8 inches talaga yung konkreto. Pagka may asphalt overlay, makapal talaga yung asphalt overlay. Yung flood control, lahat yan. And so, I have instructed the DPWH, and for that matter, all of the departments to return that. Tinanggal in the last administration yan yung acceptance. Alala ko nung governor ako, walang natatapos na, walang pwedeng sabihin completed kung hindi accepted ng local government. Babalik natin yun. Tinanggal nila in the last administration. We are putting it back because that is one of the best safeguards that we have.